Welcome to the MOOC on Virtual and Augmented Reality to support training and maintenance. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Francesco Ferrise, and I'm a professor at the Department of Mechanical Engineering at the Politecnico di Milano. For over 20 years, I've been working with my colleagues on virtual and augmented reality technologies, now identified as extended reality technologies. Even if we sometimes design new technologies, we mainly focus on their use in the industrial context. I'm not alone in this MOOC. 3 other experts in this field will join me. Domenico Caruso, also a professor at the Department of Mechanical Engineering, Nicola Dozio, currently a postdoc, and Riccardo Giussani, currently a doctoral student. In this short course entitled Virtual and Augmented Reality to Support Training and Maintenance, we will briefly introduce you to the industrial world's current interest in augmented and virtual reality technologies. We will also tell you about the various types of technologies available, divided into input and output devices. We will give a brief overview on what it means to test a solution developed with these technologies and possibly validate its effectiveness. And at the end, we will discuss what it means to develop a solution to a problem using these technologies. Clearly, the goal of the course is not to provide you with complete expertise on this topic, since a lot of laboratory and development work is needed before you can use these tools appropriately. The goal is to provide a global overview of using these technologies to solve problems. We will also provide some material for further study along with the lessons. This material includes some open access scientific papers, book chapters, or books. We would be happy if you developed a critical spirit toward the technologies described during the MOOC. Obviously, we would be happy to talk to you for any further information. Enjoy the MOOC!